If you're still guessing what to sell on Shopify in April, you are already behind. Because while most dropshippers are like scrolling TikTok hoping to spot a winner, smart sellers are validating products with data before they ever list the products. In today's video, I'm breaking down 6 top Shopify products that are already generating real sales. Some of these products I'm going to show you today are making thousands of dollars per month, and one of them crossed 1,000 sales in 30 days. So if you are serious about finding winning products backed by data, not by hype, let's just get into it right now. So the first product that we have is this magnetic teapot. This is a relatively new product which is going viral on social media. However, I would say that there aren't many posts about it yet, which is a good thing because this product could be a pure gem with high demand and low competition. This product is practical for colder time of the year and looks like a perfect gift for anyone who likes to drink tea in style. And I was able to find this cool product right here in this dropshipping store and being sold for $55. Then if you ask me, adding this GIF right here is definitely a good idea. It helps highlight the uniqueness of the product and makes it easier to understand what makes it special. In order for me to really understand whether this product has strong sales or if it's just like one of those products with high engagement but no actual sales behind it, I'm just gonna use Zik Store Sales Tracker. All I have to do is copy the store's URL, paste it in Store Sales Tracker right here like this, and then hit search. I can see data that Shopify does not publicly share. The store's revenue, I can see the sales numbers of the product listed in the store, and I can also see that the product that we found earlier was sold 651 times in the past 30 days. I had a feeling it was a gem. This is the validation. Before celebrating, we have to see if we can source this product with a good profit margin. And for this, click right here in the item finder tool, and then I can see exact matches. So let's just go with this one right here. This product is the exact same product and it costs only $39.44 without any discounts or promotions, of course. Now let's just talk about profit. The dropshipping store sells this item for $55. The Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So that's a total of $1.89, and the price on AliExpress is $39.44. So the profit per sale is $13.66. With 651 sales in the past 30 days, the store generated $8,892 in profit before ad and operational expenses. This is a great product. Please consider adding this product to your store. The next product is this cool electric heated scarf. As you can see, this is a product that can completely transform the way you experience winter. You can easily create content for this product using AI, because I don't know if you noticed, but this video right here is actually made with AI and it generated amazing engagement. So I was able to find this product in this dropshipping store right here, and the price of this product is $49.95. And then when I scan this store with Zik, this product sold 31 times in 30 days. It's not a huge number of sales, I understand, but I'm curious to see if we can get a strong profit margin by sourcing this product at a cheaper price. So for this, again, click here, item finder. Let's go with this product right here. This is the exact same product available on AliExpress for only $5.03 plus $1.99 for shipping, which brings the total cost to $7.02. That's an impressive $41.18 profit per sale. So with 31 sales, we're talking about $1,276 in profit before adding operational expenses. That is a very strong margin for a product that clearly solves a seasonal problem. Next product, this is the portable clothes dryer. And if you're looking for a product with a huge wow factor, this is definitely one of them. And personally, what I like about this product, this is easy to create a viral content for it. It's quite simple. All you need to do is just to show the product in action. The transformation speaks for itself. So here you can see a dropshipping store selling this exact product, for 97 euros, which is about $114. And after scanning the store, this product was sold 555 times in the past 30 days. Clearly a product with huge potential to be a winning product. Now, when I looked to source this product, I was able to find it on AliExpress, and it's available for only $68.31 with free shipping. Now, let's talk about profit. We're looking at around $42 profit per sale after Shopify fees. With 555 sales, that's an impressive monthly profit of $23,310 before ads and operational expenses. Yes, like sometimes all you need is just a strong market fit and a product with an amazing like wow factor like this one. So now we just covered 3 products so far, and we have a lot more to cover. If you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate if you could like it, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to use the same tools that I'm using for product research, you can just subscribe to Zik Analytics. The next product is this chain wallet. This is a fashionable product that has been gaining a lot of traction on social media lately. And when it comes down to giftable products, you can't really go wrong with something like this. And I was able to find the product at the same dropshipping store that we saw a few moments ago, and it's being sold for $49.95. And honestly, like just looking at the photos alone, this product right here, it feels luxurious, making it hard to guess the real sourcing price. When I scanned this store using Zik sales tracker, my friend, I was able to see that this wallet sold 44 times in the past 30 days. When it comes down to sourcing prices, especially fashion products, AliExpress is usually one of the best options. You just click here in the item finder, many exact matches available. I'm just gonna go with this one right here, the exact same product, and the price is only $11.60 with free shipping. So I would also say that the buyer satisfaction looks high based on the product rating and positive reviews that we can see here. And let's talk about profit. We're looking at a $36.60 profit per sale. With 44 sales, we're talking about $1,610 per month. Now, the next product is this baby mirror toy, perfect for any store in the baby niche. This is just a great product that can be taken anywhere, helps support a baby's motor skill development. It's just a must-have toy for babies, and that's exactly why the demand for this product is quite high. And I was able to find this product, this dropshipping store, selling for €29.90, which is about $35. After scanning the store, I can see that this product was sold 34 times in the last 30 days. And then sourcing again, it's available for only $8.19 plus $1.99 for shipping. So the total cost is actually $10.18. So this means that the profit is around $23.50. And with 34 sales in the past months, that's already like $7.99 before ads and operational expenses. So this next product, this mini retro TV, the childhood dream of every 90s kid. Look at this. I mean, like, what's not to like about this product? It's an amazing gift idea. It's definitely a product with a wow factor. And at the right price point, it can easily attract impulsive buyers who just have to get it as long as the price isn't too high. And I was able to find this dropshipping store selling this product for €59.99, which is $70. And after scanning the store in Zik Analytics, it sold 1,123 times in the past month. One product with over 1,000 sales. When it comes down to sourcing, I was able to find the exact same product on AliExpress. It's available for only $21.94 plus $10.14 for shipping. So the total cost is actually $32.08. The profit right here per sale is $35.59. And then with 1,123 sales last month, a monthly profit of $39,967 before ads and operational expenses. But do you understand, with this kind of margin, using paid ads to drive even more traffic could definitely be a smart move, because the high profit per sale gives you plenty of room just to cover advertising costs and remain highly profitable. This is an amazing product with a strong wow factor, like solid product margins and excellent market fit. All right, this is it. These are the top Shopify products for April. And as you can see, the key isn't just finding viral videos, it's validating them with real sales demand, and that's what we did. All right, now it's your turn. Just go back, pick 1 or 2 products that just stood out to you and run the numbers yourself, check the demand, check the source and price, and just make sure that the margins are strong before you add it to your dropshipping store. If you enjoyed this breakdown, this type of video, and want to see more about this kind of stuff, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want to use any of the tools that I used in this video, you can just try Zig today. Start doing your own research today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.